Let's discuss SEO Trends 2025. We studied expert opinions, did our own research, and gathered resources to define what you should do to thrive in 2025. Starting from the top, staying on top of your industry trends. Following the trends in your industry is important. Covering the specs of the newly launched iPhone will surely garner attention from iPhone lovers. And dissecting the latest Google update is going to lead to many SEO enthusiasts visiting your site. It gives you a chance to contribute to the ongoing discourse, all the while matching the search intent and catering to your audience. It also means an instant traffic boost and engagement, a true win-win. Check out this video about the rising trends in your location and other regions with Google Trends. Next up, we have keeping track of algorithm updates. It might sound too obvious, but it is an absolute must. Even more so now with Google confirming more frequent broad core updates. Last year we had 4 core updates, but in 2025 that might not be the case. These updates are sure to shuffle the SERP, so SEOs should fasten their seatbelts. It might be a bumpy ride. And it's also a good idea to keep track of Google's policy changes. Violating any spam policy will leave you at the mercy of the quality raters and makes you a target for algorithmic hits. And we don't want that, now do we? If visual assets are not a part of your SEO strategy, then you are missing out on one of the hottest trends. There's a very good chance that the majority of your audience spends a considerable amount of time on YouTube or TikTok looking up information, acting not just as a video sharing platform, but as a visual search engine. Statista reports that in 2023, the number of podcast listeners worldwide was over 500 million, and it's expected to grow to over 650 million by 2027. And podcasts are no longer an audio-only format. Video podcasts continue to grow in popularity. Visual content can be your creative outlet where you can establish a strong, meaningful connection with your audience. From last year, there's been a growing focus on diversifying your traffic sources. Being present in various spaces where your audience is allows you to target better, and it provides you with multiple traffic sources. By doing this, you also get to analyze how your audience perceives your brand and what you can do to grab their attention. And just as you wouldn't want to put all of your eggs into one basket, it means you're protecting yourself from disappearing off the face of the internet if something bad should happen to you on that singular platform, which nobody wants. In a HubSpot survey of over 100 US-based SEO professionals, 73% agreed with the statement, "AI tools, features, or solutions are becoming an important part of my company's SEO strategy." There's been a massive shift toward user-centric AI strategies that focus on delivering assistance and maximizing user experience. Businesses that strive to create authentic connections using AI models are going to stand out in their respective industries. This article states that some organizations are using robust generative AI and LLMs to strengthen their user feedback processes. These technologies can collect feedback, complaints, and recommendations that can be incorporated into product and service development. Now that's progress. Strategies are surfacing across the internet that claim to increase your chances of popping up into these LLMs, like focusing on structured data and optimizing for queries that trigger AI results. However, we really can't ignore the fact that there's no surefire way to guarantee that your site is going to show up for AI searches. And honestly, all you can really do is test and try to see for yourself. Andrea Volpini, CEO of WorldLift, has shared some insights in the latest search engine journal SEO Trends book. Knowledge graphs in particular help AI agents like Google's AIO or Google's search capabilities provide more contextually relevant answers by linking entities and concepts across the web. This structured approach to content helps websites stand out in an increasingly AI-driven environment. The way forward isn't just focusing on elevating organic rankings. but weaving a rich semantic network of information that expands to multiple spaces and contexts. With AI overviews performing hard on search, there's a good chance that your content may fall flaccid if the algorithm doesn't pick up strong brand signals. That alone puts a huge responsibility on brands to really stick out, not only with their content, but also with their overall communication and their commitment to solving the audience's problems. You're going to have to put in the extra effort to align your content infrastructure and creative assets with your audience's needs. That'll in turn refine your topical focus and help algorithms pick up signals related to your mentions, branded searches, and reviews. That's the direction we see things going. Let us know what you've noticed in the comments. Like, subscribe, notification bell. Thanks for watching. Drop the iPhone. Billion brands. Yeah.